Good morning, students. Right, we are discussing about the topic similar triangles. In the previous classes, I said you about similar triangles, and then we discussed about basic proportionality theorem, and then about converse of basic proportionality theorem. Let us revise what is meant by basic proportionality theorem. If in a triangle ABC, DE line segment parallel to BC line segment, we say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. Similarly, converse to this one, that is nothing but CBPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem. What does it say? In triangle ABC, DE, okay, line intersects AB line segment comma AC line segment such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC implies DE parallel to BC line segment. You observe these two theorems. In basic proportionality theorem, parallel, then you say that the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, and in the converse, if the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal, then the dividing line is parallel to the third side. So these two are most important statements what you have to keep in your brains. Is it clear? Very good. Now we are going to do some sums. Page number 197, there we have a try this. There we have a try this. So the first question in that one, what is the heading given there to us? E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. So they asked us to draw a triangle PQR. Is it clear? PQR. And saying that E and F are the points on PQ and PR. So here I place a point E and here I place a point F. Not necessary that the point E and F be the midpoints. You can place anywhere the points. Okay. Now I join E and F. For the first question, okay, it is given that PE is equal to 3.9 centimeters. EQ is equal to 3 centimeters, PR is equal to 3.6 centimeters, okay, and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeters. Asking here whether EF is parallel to QR or not. That means you want to show that EF parallel to QR. You want to show that EF parallel to QR. Then which theorem do you use? BPT or converse of BPT? You want to show that EF parallel to QR. Yeah, you are right. You will use converse of BPT. So we write here PE by EQ. So what do we get? 3.9 by 3. I multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. So it becomes 39 by 30, cancelling with 3 13s and 3 10s. Similarly, I go for PF by FR. Is it clear? Now 3.6 by 2.4. To remove the points, we multiply with 10, the numerator and denominator. Then you will get 36 by 24. Cancelling with 12, 12 3s and 12 2s. When you observe, these two ratios are not equal. If the ratios are equal, you can say it is parallel. That means it is not parallel. Okay. Therefore, EF line segment not parallel to QR line segment. Is it clear, guys? Very good, very good. Now we go to the second question. Second question here, PE is given as, for the second question, PE is equal to 4 centimeters, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeters, PF is equals to PF is equals to 8 centimeters, and next RF is equal to 9 centimeters. We follow the same procedure, okay? Calculate the ratios. What is PE by EQ or QE? So you will get here 4 by 4.5. Multiply with 10, you will get 40 by 45, cancelling with 5, 5 8s are and 5 9s are. You come to the next ratio. What is it? PF is 8 by and RF is 9. Yeah, you see these two ratios are equal. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that EF parallel to EF parallel to QR. Okay, right. You have a third question there. Do it as your homework. Clear, guys? Right. We go to the next. We go to the second question in the try this. And the second question is given as, see, a diagram is given there for you in the following figures. DE parallel to BC. Yeah, it is given. DE is parallel to BC. So diagram is given in this manner. My second Roman first question. The diagram is ABC, where DE is a straight line, saying that DE line parallel to BC line segment, and it is given AD is equal to 1.5 centimeters, BD is equal to 3 centimeters, AE is equal to 1 centimeter, and asking to find EC. See here, now which theorem do you use? Here the parallel is given, asking to find EC. Which theorem do you find now? Do you use now? Yes, very good, very good. You are very nice man. By basic proportionality theorem, yeah, you are using the theorem by basic proportionality theorem. You can say that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We substitute the values. 1.5 by 3 is equal to 1 by EC. 15 2s 30, so 15 1s and 15 2s. Make a cross multiplication, you write EC is equal to 2 centimeters. Okay, did you understand? Very nice. In the same manner, you do the second question in that Roman. Clear, guys? Right, practice well. Meet you tomorrow.